Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So, I'm going to have a talk real quick. I've come to realize that most of my people, and when I say my people, I talk about the people that will come from that place here, Jamaica, my people. Most of my people are sick. We have a sickness. You understand? And it looked like this self-destructive thing that we have towards each other, it's really eating us alive as a people. People from the outside can see it. So when we talk about love Jamaica and all this, I tend to think that a lot of you only love Jamaica, the land, the soil, the mountains, the beaches, the trees. You don't love the people. So before we go any further with this program, calling all my South Floridians, Reggae Riddim Jamaica Restaurant and Lounge is doing it bigger and better than before. They are opening this Saturday, August 22nd. That will be their grand opening. They are located at 819 South Orange Blossom Trail in Apopka, Florida, 32703. Just throw that in your GPS and make it there. They upgraded. It was a restaurant before with takeout with a little small area up front for dining in. Now it's bigger and better, still having the options for takeout, but now having the option to dine in with ordering from a specialty menu. All meals are prepared by a certified professional chef out of Jamaica, so it's authentic. The pictures you see are the exact examples of how the dine-in and specialty drinks are presented, among other options that will be on the menu. They provide catering services as well. They will be a live reggae band on the weekends with occasional special guests to perform. You heard that? There will be a live reggae band on the weekends with occasional special guests to perform. Their grand opening is this Saturday, August 22nd. Grab a friend, bring the family, or take a trip just to treat yourself. See you there and tell them that SouFLoTV sent you. You see how the place look good? I'm sending you to somewhere well nice. Alright, back to our regular scheduled program at hand. And if you don't love the people, you can't love Jamaica. You understand? You have to love the people in order to love the place. You just love the land. You don't love the people. And I'm convinced that you don't love the people because of the certain behaviors that I've been seeing from a lot of our people. So how can you call yourself a good person when you're tearing down people that are helping people who are in need? So when you tear down the people, right, that help the people who are in need and they are no longer able to help the people in need, are you going to step in and help them? Or are you content within yourself knowing that there are people out there who need help that would have and could have gotten help, but you were instrumental in stopping the person who was able to help them, so they're just lingering on right there, no help? You feel good? That make you feel good about yourself? Does that make you feel good about yourself? Is this really a mind frame, a mind state that can make someone proud enough to even look in the mirror at yourself and feel like you're a person? And some of y'all have the nerve to actually call yourself a good person. A good person. My genuine love for Jamaica, right, allows me to go anywhere when I'm in Jamaica. Anywhere. I go up on ends and corners what them call bad man place and people afraid to go around there. You'll find me way up in the countryside and at the hills. You'll find me everywhere. Right? You'll find me where the tourists them there. You'll find me where the thugs them there. You'll find me where everywhere. It is because your work is going to speak louder than your mouth. I'm going to say it again. Your work is going to speak louder than your mouth. That's deep. That's deep. I put up a picture the other day, right? A video. Let me show you the friggeries of our people's mind. How self-destructive we are and how hateful we are to each other. And yes, people, you don't need to have material things. You don't need to be jumping out of a Bentley coupe, and you don't need to be running up the steps or flying an elevator up a big mansion on a hill for people to hate you. People will hate you because of the love or admiration or respect that other people have for you. People will hate you because they're on somebody else and them hear somebody else say, yo, the youth intelligent, trust me, I like watching him show because some points where him bring across, and the way how him bring them across to, it open a door for a broader conversation and these kind of things. It make me go do my research, them just hate that. Hate to hear somebody else talk good about you. What kind of a person is this? So with the election going on in Jamaica right now, I think it's very appropriate that we do a live show on SouFLoTV. So tomorrow, which is Sunday, and tomorrow will be the 23rd, Sunday the 23rd, we are going to go live at 9 p.m. This is going to be interesting because there is a special guest that is going to be joining us. I was wondering if, because Jamaica is not getting any different result from the two parties that it has. So I was wondering, is there an independent party or other parties that were available? The people them have any other choice was my question. And apparently they have another choice. So I am going to go live tomorrow. We are going to go live tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to have a guest join us. And this person is actually the president of what is called the United Independence Congress. And the United Independence Congress, we are going to be speaking, probably dropping here and there on corruption, crime, violence against our children, violence against our women, and poverty, colonialism, and other topics. If this sounds spirited to you, jump right on in. See you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. Roll up a thing, pour a glass of wine, something, have a seat, sit in on the live, alright? Catch you then. Peace. We are lead a new generation. We are telling you them say, yo, raising children is not no plaything, it's not no joke thing, it's something to be taken seriously, and it's something you invest deeply in. And once you start make babies, you have to cut out certain things. Matter of fact, start cut out certain things before you even make babies, to make a smooth transition for them into this world. We are trying to teach and uplift, S suck your mother, shit mouth boy, all these kind of things. Who thinks to put this kind of comment? You see what I'm saying? So, people forgive me when they see me out the road and I move a certain way. But, enough of my people sick. And I, knowing that, cannot move around as if I don't know that. We sad, man. And I say we are sad because I don't think I'm above anyone. I don't think I am so different from anyone that I should separate myself and say they are sad or uno sad. We are sad. We as a people are sad. The lack of ignorance, the level of ignorance, the lack of intelligence, the lack of self-love, the lack of real love and genuine love for each other as a people is our own doing to ourselves, and it is going to be our biggest downfall. Marcus Garvey said we must do it. We shall do it, and we must do it. And if we cannot do it, then we too shall go look up that Marcus Garvey speech. The SouFLoTV, man, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me if you talk truth or tell me if I'm telling lies. Do you know of any people amongst themselves that hate each other so much, that wish bad for each other so much, that are so aggressive and so violent towards each other without rhyme or reason even? Talk up in the comment section below, because it is through these conversations that we are able to begin to face a problem, and then eventually we can own up to it and find solutions to it and work through it and get past it. But us not speaking about it is never going to solve anything. Things just are going to get wassara. I'm out. Peace.